Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to take class LKG subject maths. Class LKG subject maths. So students, see here. Students, yesterday you learnt number 5. Students, see here. Yesterday you learnt number 5. Okay. Today's new topic number 6. Students, see here. Today's new topic number 6. Number 6, how to write? Students, see here. Students, here one dot. Here one dot. So, write this. Number 6. Number 6. Say and write. Write neatly. Number 6. Say and write 6. 6. Number 6. Number 6. Students, see here. Number 6. How to write? Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Students, say and write neatly. 6. Students, see here. Number 6, how to write? Here one dot. Six. Six. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Students, say and write 6. 6. 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Students, number 6, write 2 page. 2 page. Say and write. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Students, say and write. Number 6. 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Students, see here how to write number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Students, see here number 6. Say and write neatly. Okay. Students, see here. Students, see here. This is your textbook. This is your textbook, page number 55. Page number 55. Comparison. Comparison 1. See here, students. Yesterday you learnt comparison 1 and comparison 2 and comparison 3. Okay. See here, students. This is tall object and this is short object. See here, students. This is tall object. This is short object. See here, students. Heavy and light. This is heavy object and this is light object. This is heavy object and this is light object. This is heavy object and this is light object. Students, see here. Next, page number 56. Page number 56. Comparison 2. Comparison 2. Big and small. Big and small. See here, students. This is big object and this is small object. Okay. This is big object and this is small object. Students, see here. This is big object and this is small object. This is big object and this is small object. Next, this is hard and this is soft. This is hard object and this is soft object. See here students, this is soft object and this is hard object. This is soft object and this is hard object. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. See here students. Next, comparison 3. Comparison 3, page number 57. Students, see here. What is this? This is a table. Okay. This is a table. This is book. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. The kitten is under the table. Okay. The book is on the table. The kitten is under the table. Students, see here. This is ball. Okay. The ball is on the table. The ball is on the table. The ball is under the table. The ball is on the table. The ball is under the table. Did you understand? Next, match with open and closed objects. Okay. See here students, this is door. This is door. This is closed door. This is closed door and this is open the door. This is closed door and this is open the door. Student, see here. Students, this is book. This is open and this is closed. This is open and this is closed. The book is open. The book is closed. Did you understand? Next, students, see here. Today's new topic. Today's new topic, comparison 4. Today's new topic, comparison 4. Write M for more objects and L for less objects. See here students, M for more objects and L for less objects. See here students. Students, see here. Today I will teach comparison. Comparison means when we compare two things. So today I have brought few things which I will show. Example, see here students. Students, see here. What is this? This is sketch pens. These are sketch pens and this is pens. These are pens. See here students. Which is more and which is less? Students, did you understand? Which is more and which is less? See here students. Sketch pens and pens. Okay. See here students. Sketch pens are more. So this is more object. Pens are less. So this is less object. See here students. How many pens are there? Let's count. See here students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 pens. Okay. Only 5 pens. And see here students. This is sketch pens. This is sketch pens. How many sketch pens are there? Students, how many sketch pens are there? Let's count. One, two, three. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sketch pens. 12 sketch pens are there and only 5 pens are there. Students, see here, 12 sketch pens are there, okay, and 5 pens are there, only 5. Which one less? Which object is less and which object is more? Students, see here, which is more and which is less? See here, pens is less, only 5 pen, only 5 pen, so this is less. This object is less. Pen is less object, okay, pen is less object, so this is less. And this is more objects. Sketch pens are more objects. How many sketch pens are there? 12. 12 sketch pens are there, no? This is more object. This is more object and this is less object. Students, see here. This is more object and this is less object. This is more object and this is less object. Did you understand? Okay. Students, see here. M for more objects and L for less objects. See here, students. Which one more and which one less? You identify in these things. Which one more and which one less? See here, students. Here 7 pencils are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 2 pencils are there. Okay. Which one more and which one less? See here, students. This is more. This is more object. So this is right M. This is less object. Only 2 pencils are there. Okay. So this is less object. You write L. M for more. L for less. M for more object. L for less object. Did you understand? Next. What is this? This is a cup. This is a cup. Which one more, which one less? Students, see here. Which one more and which one less? You identify in these things. Which one more and which one less? See here, students. How many cups are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 3 cups. And here 5 cups. Which one more and which one less? This is more. So, here write M. M for more. L for less. This is less. Here write L. Students, see here. This is more object. More means M. This is less object. Less means L. See here. This is more object. Here also more object. So here write M. This is less object. This is less object. So this here write L. Next, see here students. Match L with long object and S with short object. Match this L with long object, S with short object. See here students. Which one long and which one short? See here students. Which one long and which one short? See here students. Here two pencils. Okay. Here two pencils. One long and one short. See here students. Which one long and which one short? You identify in these things. See here students. This is long object and this is short object. Okay. This is long object and this is short object. This is long object and this is short object. Did you understand? Okay. Students, I will show one example. This is chalks. What is this? This is chalks. Okay. This is chalk. Which one long and which one short? See here students. Which one? Students, see here. Here two chalks. Here two chalks. Which one long and which one short? See here students. This is pencil. This is long object and this is short object. Okay. This is chalks. This is long object and this is short object. This is long object and this is short object. Students, see here. This is chalk piece. Okay. Which one short, which one long? See here students. This is long object and this is short object. Did you understand? This is long object and this is short object. Okay. And see here students. This is pencils. This is long object and this is short object. This is long object and this is short object. Students, did you understand? Okay. See here students. L with long object and S with short object. Match this. Okay. This is long. So, match with long. And this is short object. Okay. Match with S, short. This is long object and this is short object. See here students. Here two objects. Short one, long one. Which one short, which one long? See here students. This is short object. This is short object. So, match this S. This is long object. This is long object. So this is match the L. Students, see here. This is long object. Match the L. This is short object. Match the S. This is short object. This also match the S. And this is long object. This also match the L. Did you understand? Okay, students. Today's homework. Students, see here. Today's homework. Number 6. Write 2 page. Write 2 page in notebook. Okay. And comparison 4. Comparison 4. Page number 58. Page number 58. More and less, long and short. More and less, long and short. You also complete the work. Complete this work. Okay, students. Today's class finish. Thank you.